Hi, this is Manny Aragon here, and today I want to tell you about something that I discovered recently that's really, really important. And that is, for those of you who have cavities, and I suspect that's just about all of you, if you have any metal in your mouth or you have any cavities, and you go back to the dentist and you fear going back to the dentist every year, especially as you age, this is a great segment for you. I highly recommend that you listen to this. And it's the first part in a series on cavities, tooth and dental health, gum health, and bone health. So today we're going to talk about, I'm going to tell you about cavities and how you can actually resolve some of the cavities you have and strengthen your teeth. Now, one of the biggest problems with cavities is that no matter what your dentist tells you about brushing, no matter how much you brush and floss, most of you are continuing to get more and more cavities every year. Or over the years, you get cavities. They don't stop coming. They keep coming. And so you may brush 20 times a day, and in fact, that's not the problem. That's not what's giving you cavities. So that's why they're not stopping. If you don't address the problem doesn't go away. And as you age, the problem gets worse. And where the problem lies is in your nutrition. Now, there's a simple way to address this. And the problem is that most of us are lacking in fat-soluble vitamins. Fat-soluble vitamins are things that come from animal fats, things that you can only really get through animal fats. And these are animal fats these are animals that are eating healthy foliage, okay? So if you're eating lots of factory farmed meat that factory farmed meat is raised on grains, which is an unnatural diet for them, they are going to be lacking, their fat is going to be lacking in the nutrients that you need to fuel your body and keep your teeth healthy and strong. So one really easy way to get this is to supplement. And this is a great thing about supplements, but the challenge of supplements is you've got to get a good one that has the nutrients that you need in them. So in this case, you can supplement, and many people already are, with a good high quality cod liver oil, a fish oil. And the challenge with fish oil, once again, is getting a fish oil that has the nutrients in it. So most fish oils do not have the nutrients in them because they're distilled to get rid of the fishy flavor. And when you distill them to get rid of the fishy flavor, you fractionate and remove part of that supplement. Unfortunately, the part that's removed is part of the vitamins that you need. So you're not getting the full complement of the fat-soluble vitamins. Now, again, if these come from farmed fish, they're going to be being fed grain. It's not the kind that you need. So fish oil from wild fish, that's why it's so much more critical to get wild fish, oil from wild fish, and unfractionated, unrefined wild fish oil. So the challenge there with fish oil, and one of the reasons why they refine it, is one, flavor, and the second one is to remove the contaminants, mercury and such. And the actual best way to get the whole food fish oil without getting the contaminants is to get a fermented fish oil. So anyway, this will give you the full complements of vitamins, vitamin D, vitamin A, the activator, Activator X, which I'll talk about in a later segment. And this can really help you to improve your dental health. So if you have questions on this, shoot them my way. I'm happy to answer them for you. I've just given you a taste, so there's likely to be some confusion and a few questions. But that's the idea. This is a series, and it's a complex situation, and it's going to take a little bit of discussion to work through the process of understanding the whole thing. But that's a great place to start. Fish oil, fermented fish oil.